This is Galactic Racers, featuring terrain, racers and miniatures, all so you can bring racing to your tabletop. You can print the miniatures and racers in resin, it's pre-supported professionally, or you can print the racers and terrain in FDM, support free. So which racer will you back? Will you pick rank amateur Bob Jetster? Or how about newcomer Attica, yet to finish a race? Or perhaps Sonic in pole position is more your guy? Finally, Bully Bullhorn, everyone's favourite. Will he win this time too? The mini set doesn't just include the seated pilots, it also includes the flag wavers and a pit crew. Plus standing poses for all of the races. The terrain set has a pit stop to go with your pit crew. A modular stand you can fill with your minis, hopefully more are painted than mine. There's a start line and start buildings, plus a range of rocks for you to do some terrain along the way. There's also a basic game. This will expand as updates go on, stretch goals will be reached, and will include the basic rules to get you going with a few STLs for game assets. There are 3 different core sets: races, minis and terrain. If you go all in, you also get the racing game. You can also get a collector's edition of all of our Kickstarters to date and a merchant's license if you want to sell physical prints. The races come with sandy bases and plain bases as standard. A very early stretch goal will get the rocky bases, it's the same for the minis. Whether you choose to print resin, the left-hand races are all resin, or FDM like the right-hand racers, you're guaranteed a great result. Welcome to Galactic Racers, and we have a great race for you today. The contestants are making their way to the start line. Who are you waiting for? Bully Bullhorn? Perhaps Attica, the rank outsider? Sonic in pole position? Or perhaps Bob Jetster, yet to finish a race? The flag wavers are clearing the track, and they're off! We have an early lead from Bully Bullhorn, but the others are fast behind. Oh, Attica's catching him up. Will this pit stop by Bob Jetster losing the race? No! Attica crosses the finish line first and the crowd go wild. So back now to bring Galactic Racers to your tabletop.